Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here outside of CVS. So I'm going to do a little twist to this week's CVS video. So I'm going to share with you guys the deals that you should consider doing, but I'm also throwing in some deals that you absolutely should not be doing. So the point of this video, and I think I'm going to be doing this going forward, is once you get into the feel of CVS, CVS will cycle their sales all the time. So a lot of times certain deals are not great deals, and this happens with couponing all the time, where just because something is advertised in the ad doesn't mean it's a good deal. So let's go inside and I'm going to share with you guys what you should be doing and what you definitely should not be doing. So let's go. Okay, so this first deal is on Neutrogena skincare. This is absolutely a fantastic deal this week. So Neutrogena is spend $30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So whenever this deal rolls around, I always stock up on the makeup remover wipes. So this twin pack is $12.49. So go ahead and pick up 2 of the twin packs and then pick up a deep clean purifying package as well. These are $6.99, so your total is going to be $32.97. Now there were various CRTs that were floating around, so this one is 5 of 22 facial cleanser or moisturizer. This is a CRT you could use, or you could use the 5 of 25 of Neutrogena facial care. With this one you could do a cleanser and a moisturizer. You don't have to do the makeup remover wipes, but I'm going to do the makeup remover wipes. So I'm going to take an additional $5 off with this CRT. So now we're at $27.97, and then you get back $10 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $17.97 for 5 packages of makeup wipes, and I think that is an excellent deal. So if you have this CRT, definitely consider doing it. If you have a percentage off email coupon, that's going to shave off a little bit extra. So you guys ask, how do you calculate the percentage off coupon? So the percentage off coupon is going to take off after your manufacturer coupons, after your CRTs, and after your extra care bucks. So this is a really good time to stock up on Neutrogena makeup cleansing wipes. Out of all of the makeup wipes I've tried, Neutrogena has been my #1 favorite for a good year now. So anytime this deal rolls around, I take advantage of this to stock up. Alright, you guys, so a deal you absolutely need to be passing on is the soft soap and Irish Spring body wash deal. For one, there are no insert coupons coming in our newspapers. So what's going on this week with soft soap and Irish Spring, it's buy one get one 50% off, but you guys, there are no extra care bucks that are attached to this deal, and CVS runs extra care bucks for Irish Spring and soft soap all the time. So they're buy one get one 50% off. Now a lot of us did get this 3 of 10 body wash CRT, but you're gonna have to, if you're gonna use this 3 of 10 CRT, you're gonna have to buy 3 of them. Total is gonna be $12.47. Even taking off $3, you're gonna pay $9.47 out of pocket. So it makes them $3.15 each, and that is a terrible deal, you guys, because we've gotten these for free so many times. So do not do soft soap. Just toss your CRT and wait for the next extra care buck promo to roll around for soft soap and Irish Spring. So do not do this deal. So Physicians Formula this week is on a buy 2 get $10 back in extra care bucks. So since you guys raved about my lip color, that red lip color, I'm going to highlight this deal. So when you buy 2, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. So these guys are priced for $8.79. Okay, a random piece of hair. Okay. Oh, and some braids. Is this my color? Think I could pull this off? Okay, that's weird. Anyways, you're gonna buy 2 of these. They are $8.79 each, so you're gonna buy 2 of them for $17.58. You get a $10 extra care bucks. The final cost is $7.58 or $3.79 each, which beats the Target price. Target price is $6.99 if you were to buy this at Target, in store, or online. And the color that I'm wearing right now is the Bear With Me, and then that red lip color that I was wearing is this Fight Free Reticles. So definitely suggest these lip colors. They are fantastic. So just an idea. So another deal that I would suggest you passing on is the L'Oreal cosmetic deal, because as you can see this week, all you need to do is spend $15 and you get a $5 extra care buck. On Sunday, it's going to be buy two, get a $5 extra care buck. So you have to buy two of these items, and L'Oreal is an expensive cosmetic brand. So even with those insert coupons for the 3-off-1 for the eye palette, and I think it's a 2-off-1 for a face that's either coming or we have it, it doesn't justify the out-of-pocket price in my opinion. So if I were you, I would skip on L'Oreal and wait until it gets to be like a spend 15 get 5 or something like that. So I would pass on L'Oreal this week because it's not a very good deal. All right, you guys, so all detergent, these are on sale again. So these are priced for $2.99. You can do the all mighty packs, or you can do the liquid detergent. So these guys are on sale for $2.99, and we're getting $1 off 1 coupons in the red plum, and I have a bunch of all detergent coupons still from my pediatrician. So if you want coupons, just comment below you want coupons, and I will be sending a few of them out because, like I said, I have a crap ton of all detergent coupons. So that's going to make these guys $1.99. And if you haven't been following me the past few weeks, my pediatrician actually recommends this. So anytime that I can get all detergent for cheap, then I'm going to do it. So it's $1.99 after that $1 off coupon. You can either get it from the red plum. There might be a printable that pops up. Check your CVS app on Sunday because they might bring a coupon to the CVS app as well. So definitely check your CVS app. Check Saving Star. Sometimes they do Saving Star offers on Sunday for all detergents. So $1.99 is great because the starting price is $6.99. So awesome. And again, if you want those coupons, just comment below you want those coupons. Okay, so it is P&G week this week. So when you spend $20, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. So the Tide Pods, these are $4.94. So this cycle, I would pass on Tide. So the insert coupon that's coming is 2-off-1. So I think it's a better time to stock up on Tide with the P&G deal when we get 3-off-1s. So just, you know, follow the cycle and wait for that 3-off-1 coupon to come in the P&G, which comes multiple times a year. So if I were you, I would definitely pass on the Tide scenario because the coupon is lower value, and let's be serious, I haven't seen a laundry CRT in forever. So I would not be banging on a buck that we're going to get a laundry CRT because I haven't seen one of those literally in forever. Anytime that hefty trash bags go on sale for $6.99, you need to do it even without a coupon. So hefty trash bags are $6.99 on sale, and we still have $1 off 1 coupon from the $6.28 red plum that is still valid. So dig through your coupons and find that coupon, get yourself to CVS and get $5.99 trash bags, because that is an awesome deal. Because even the Total Home brand is $8.69, which is the CVS brand. So you're getting it significantly cheaper, even with the sale price. So definitely head to CVS, and hopefully you have that $1 off 1 coupon. I don't. If you guys have any spares and you want to, you know, share a little with your girl, I would not say no to some hefty coupons. So great deal on hefty, $5.99. Great deal. Okay, what you should be doing this week for your P&G scenario, if you have kids in diapers, is definitely Pampers. So Pampers are $9.99 on sale this week. When you spend $20 or more, you're gonna get a $5 extra care box. So go ahead and buy 2 of them for $19.98. That should trigger your extra care box, and we're getting 3-off-1 coupons in the P&G. So you're gonna take $6 off. Then you get a $5 extra care buck. So final cost is $8.98 for both, or $4.49 a package. You guys, this is definitely stock up for Pampers. It's gonna be even lower if you have a CRT for diapers. So your girl doesn't get P&G, so I will totally take some extra Pampers coupons. So this is an awesome deal. So hopefully you guys get a 3-off-15 CRT for diapers, because that's gonna make it even lower. All right, you guys, so I just need to be honest with you about something. The Honest Company diapers suck. Okay, Sawyer wakes up with wet pants. Tanner wakes up with wet pants. They have cute prints, but they do not hold pee, not at all. Okay, so if you still need to get your kids back to school clothes, definitely pick up a Children's Place gift card, because when you get a $50 gift card, you're gonna get a $10 extra care buck. So what I would suggest is picking it up and wait until Labor Day weekend, which is coming up, and use your gift card online, because Ebates is gonna have high value cashbacks on Labor Day. There's probably gonna be free shipping deals, or you can go in store, there's gonna be sales for Labor Day. So what I would do is I would pick one of these up and I would get that that $10 extra care buck, because I love when these promos roll around for like the Chili's gift cards and the Children's Place gift cards. Even if you're going to shop ahead for Christmas and you want to, you know, load your kids up with all sorts of unicorn apparel, because that's like really popular. My daughter came home from school and said everyone was dressed up in unicorns. So if you have little kiddos that you want to shop ahead for Christmas, I would definitely take advantage of this, and don't use the gift card until Labor Day weekend if you can hold out, because there are going to be some great sales. So definitely pick this up. I would thumbs up to this deal 100%. So this week we have a fantastic coffee deal. So when you spend $12 or more in select products, you're gonna get $3 in extra care bucks. So coffee pods are included. So the McCafe 12 pack, these guys are on sale for $4.99. And then the Maxwell House coffee, the container is the 11.5 ounce. These guys are also $3.99. Regular price is $5.79 on the Maxwell House, and the McCafe, these guys are $9.99. So the sale price is great. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $11.97. You're going to get that $3 extra care buck. So after your extra care buck, it makes each of them $3.99, which is fantastic. Folgers, where are you? Folgers in your cup. Folgers. So Folgers also has a sale price of $5.99. So regular price is $9.99. So there's some great coffee deals that you definitely should stock up on, because this is practically 50% off. So anytime you get coffee deals at CVS, definitely buy your physician's formula and use those extra care bucks to buy some coffee or whatever groceries you may need. That's what I do every single week. You guys really should be utilizing your extra care bucks when you can on groceries. All right, so another really great deal is on the Quaker Oats. This is the Big Mama Jamma tub. So this is the 42 ounce. So these guys are on sale for $1.99. Regular price is $5.99, so that's an excellent deal. Also, the Quaker granola bars are also $1.99. And what makes this deal even better is you get bonus points with Fetch Rewards when you submit your receipt. And when you purchase brands with Fetch Rewards, there are bonus brands, and Quaker is one of them, you're going to get extra points when you upload your receipts. So this is a great deal. Stock up for back to school. Oatmeal, make oatmeal cookies. I don't care what you do with your oatmeal, but this is a really great deal for $1.99. Okay, so you absolutely want to do the Coke deal this week. So three 12 packs, they are 3 for $10 this week. And as you can see in the current sales cycle, because today is Thursday when I'm filming this video, these guys are $3 for $12, and I just purchased this a few days ago. So 3 for $12 this current week, but on Sunday they're 3 for $10. So absolutely stock up on your 12 packs on Sunday. So this is a great deal. Definitely take advantage of it, because it's cheaper than the current cycle right now. Okay, and lastly, the family size of Lay's potato chips. These guys are buy one, get one free this week. So absolutely take advantage of this deal, because it is a fantastic one. So you buy one and you get one free. Lay's is also a bonus brand for Fetch Rewards. All right, you guys, so these are all the deals I have to share with you this week here at CVS. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you like the new element of me sharing with you guys what are not good deals. So let me know, and I will do that going forward. And I want to know, how many of you guys have like a ridiculously messy purse couponing? Like I can't get over this. Like, it gives me anxiety that it's that messy. Oh my God. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. There's still time to get your obsessive couponing disorder t-shirts. They are still on sale for the next almost 2 weeks. So if you want to snag it for this round, then I'll have a link below in the description box. And you guys always asked about my Sunnies. So I have new ones this time. So the ones that you guys always comment on, I got from Target like forever ago. But I picked these up from Nordstrom Rack, so I'll have a link below if you guys want to check them out. But if you didn't know, Nordstrom Rack, they ship. So I found some, sorry, I'm like, I don't know what's going on with me right now, but they ship from Nordstrom.com if you guys didn't know that. So I've actually snagged quite a few things from NordstromRack.com in the last like 2 weeks or so. So yeah, so if you like these Sunnies, check out NordstromRack.com, and I'll have these linked below. I think they were like 20 bucks, something like that. So I never buy expensive sunglasses, because either I lose them or one of my kids sits on them or whatever. I know I don't actually go for the real Ray-Bans because they're gonna get destroyed. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Thursday with whatever you are doing, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.